Hi guys, welcome to the Simplify LLC channel. In this video, we're going to explain the LLC cost in Delaware. Real quick, make sure you hit the like button and press that bell icon to subscribe so that you can be notified when we push out more helpful content. All right, let's dive right in. So Delaware offers a tax-friendly environment and has pro-business laws, making it an excellent formation state for businesses, including LLCs. Incorporating in Delaware is pretty straightforward. The state lays out all the information on submissions, business license applications, and an LLC operating agreement conclusions. Its legal tax minimization policies make it a tax haven, and it provides greater financial privacy to business owners. You can watch our video about how to start an LLC in Delaware for more information. That link is in the description box below. All right, now that we know some of the reasons why Delaware makes a great formation state, let's get down to the costs of forming and running an LLC in the state. Let's start with the formation costs. In Delaware, the cost of formation is $90 for domestic LLCs. This is the state filing fee for the initial certificate of formation to the Delaware Division of Corporations. In other states, it's called the Articles of Organization. Now, if you have a foreign LLC, those businesses formed in another state that wants to do business in Delaware, the filing fee is $200. The time to process your filing depends on how many submissions the office is working on, usually taking 14 business days. But you can expedite the process. For a 24-hour turnaround, the cost is an additional $50, $100 for the same day, and $500 for a 2-hour turnaround. For $1,000, you can even get it processed in an hour. For a certified copy of your formation documents, you can get it online for $50. But these aren't the only costs. In addition, you will have a registered agent fee. The initial cost is wrapped up in the original certificate of formation, but changes will require a form and a $50 fee. You can choose to be your own registered agent or hire a Delaware registered agent for around $100 each year. Now, please note that choosing to be your own registered agent does take time and energy, and if you are not actually living in the state of Delaware, it can make things very complicated. A name reservation fee. If you have your business name and want to reserve it so no one else can use it, simply pay $75 to reserve it online or by mail for 120 days. Fictitious name registration fee. If you choose to get a DBA registration for your LLC, you will have to file a form and pay $25 for every county where you want to be registered. Trademark and service mark application fees. To protect your brand's name, logo, or other intellectual property, apply for a trademark for goods or a service mark for services. The fee is $35 for a 10-year registration. Fees for business permits and licenses. Depending on your business and industry, you may need permits or licenses. To start, you will get an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, from the IRS for federal tax reporting and compliance. So no matter what type, all businesses will need a general business license from the Delaware Division of Revenue for $75 for the first business location. Each subsequent branches need licenses. Some industries require professional licenses as well. Check the Delaware.gov website for a list of all required occupational fees. Now, you may be wondering if there are annual LLC fees. The good news is no. Delaware doesn't require LLCs to file annual reports, but there is a $300 minimum annual franchise tax for all registered LLCs. So let's talk about taxes. In addition to federal taxes, Delaware businesses must pay a minimum annual franchise tax. LLCs pay a flat $300 annual LLC tax. A gross receipt tax. While there is no state or local sales tax, there is a gross receipts tax if you sell taxable goods or services. Corporate income tax. Unless your LLC is federally taxed as a corporation, you won't have the corporate income tax of 8.7%. LLCs in Delaware are classified as partnerships or sole proprietorships for deferral tax purposes. LLC owners must file a personal tax return and pay self-employment taxes and personal income taxes. Employee taxes. If your business has employees on the payroll, you need to cover employment taxes like unemployment insurance and state withholding tax. So, as you can see, starting an LLC in Delaware is pretty affordable. You'll pay $90 for your formation, $75 for a business license, and $300 in annual taxes. This is all on the low end. But you may spend several $100s in your initial filing costs on the high end. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. To find out more about LLCs and other business information, check our link in the description below. And go ahead and like and subscribe. We would love to read your comments and answer any questions you may have. With that, we will see you next time.